Hello everyone. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to check the responsiveness of your website created with OfficeIQ Studio. So, this is the website I have created with OfficeIQ Studio. First, click on the editor button. Here on the top right corner, you can see the website is currently in desktop mode. This shows how your website looks on a desktop, clean, professional and well structured. Next, switch to tablet view to see how your website appears on tablets. You will notice it's well optimized and nothing breaks. Finally, check the mobile view. Here you can see exactly how your website will look on a phone, clean, responsive and user-friendly. And that's it. With OfficeIQ Studio, checking your website's responsiveness is simple, quick and seamless.